Yesterday with a loss. As you can see, it's still messing around in here. It pulled all the way down to my break here, and it broke my trend line. It did not close. It wicked out and it pushed right back up. It keeps on testing. You see how it's testing the trend line here. So I think it's still gonna go up. It's just doing what US30 does this nonsense until it decides to actually move, and then out of nowhere you're gonna see it just take off at some point. So that's the frustrating part. That's all. So yeah, so we have news at 8:30, 8:15, and 8:30 today. 8:15 is Euro news, and then 8:30 is US news. So just waiting on that to, do its thing, and then maybe we can take a position in that. But it's very frustrating, very frustrating yesterday. That's why sometimes I just don't care to trade it. It just does really stupid stuff sometimes. It doesn't move like you want it to move. So what are you gonna do? Can't hear your voice. You can't hear my voice. The music is too high. I don't know about that. I'm talking a lot louder than the music is, so I don't know about that. The music isn't that loud anyway, so we're not gonna go through that today with the music business. We're not gonna go through that today. You know what? I'm gonna try something. All right. I'm not really looking for a setup until news. Uh, I have a question. It feels that trading has gotten a little boring now that I have a trading plan and being less emotional. I don't know how to answer that question. You have to find the joy in it yourself. Can't tell you how to make trading fun. It has to be arty. It has to naturally be fun to you. So, fortunately, I can't tell you how to do that. Trying to break bullish here. If we don't break this low, break up here to grab this move here, and then break below. If it doesn't, this is only a 15-minute support. We could see what it does in there. Might wait till news.
Are you interested?
Just waiting on news, guys. Once we get news, we could figure something out. Hopefully today is not like yesterday, where we got news didn't do much of anything, and then the market just takes a dump after that. So if it does that today, then this week is just going to be a stupid week. I don't know. I really don't like that. I would like to see some sort of movement, some action. I really don't like when the market doesn't do anything at all for days and days and days. So hopefully we get something today. Not taking any positions until news comes out. I don't really have much of an analysis because it really wouldn't matter until news shows its hand anyway. So that's all I'm hoping for today, is just some sort of movement. I really don't care for it today to be anything like yesterday at all. I'm actually hoping news can take price completely out of where it is on every pair. I don't care if it goes 3,000 pips. Just get out of wherever it is now, just to give us some sort of price action, something, so we can have something to go off of, basically. So kind of sucks when you don't have anything to go off of and the price is just lingering where it's at. So some people were messaging me yesterday about yesterday's loss. As you can see, I'm chilling. It was a bigger loss than I wanted to take, but it is what it is. The important thing is that you don't dwell on losses. When you take losses, guys, you don't dwell on them. I'm a scalper, so typically when I hold positions for longer than, let's say, I don't know, 15, 30, an hour max, the odds of the trade going my way go down immensely. They do. That's why I scalp. That's why I have a high win rate when I scalp and a very low win rate when I intraday or swing trade. So that's why I don't do it very often, because I just have this philosophy that the longer you stay in the market, the more at risk you put yourself to potentially lose. So that was a risk that I had already taken. I was already ready to take. I was already committed to it. So I am not going to trade US30, even if it does take off here. I don't care. I'm not going to trade it. It just wasn't my day yesterday. My analysis still seems to looking like it wants to play out, but why is this going off? It's looking like it still wants to play out, but based on my trading style, I don't have the patience to sit there through all of this, through all of that, and just, you know what I'm saying? So what are you gonna do? You stick to what works. You stick to what you know works. And what I know works is gold. Works for me. AU works out a lot for me. US30 is not a pair that I have the trading style to trade on a consistent basis. So don't dwell on losses, guys. It's okay. You're gonna lose. Losses happen. The good thing is you live to trade another day. You live to trade another day. That's what's important. AU looks like it wants to fly here once news comes out in the next 4 minutes here. You live to trade another day. That's what's important. You can't become a millionaire being afraid to risk money. You know, billionaires risk millions to make more money. Millionaires risk thousands to make more money. You can't be a thousandaire and try to be a millionaire without losing money. Life is about taking risk. It's about betting on yourself. It's about trusting your knowledge, trusting your confidence. So the more you're able to do that, the better your odds will be at succeeding at whatever it is you want to do. You cannot live your life in fear. You can't be a fearful trader. You can't be a confident trader and be successful. You have to take risk. No risk, no reward. That's just what it is. Okay? And you guys take risk every day, you just don't realize it sometimes, that's all. You take risk every day, you just don't realize it. The job you have now, you took a risk applying for the job. May not have been much of a risk, but still a risk. You wouldn't have it if you didn't put yourself out there, you know? So, no risk, no reward. Whenever I'm in demo, I'm profitable. But when I'm doing it in real account, I blow it, or just in a continuous loss. Because demo has no emotion. Everybody wins in demo because you don't care. You take entries wherever you want. You close wherever you want. You hold it through $8 million drawdown and it goes back in profit and then you're happy. You know? So that's why people are profitable in demo, because there's no emotion. There's no emotion in demo. When you're trading live, all that goes out the window. You start feeling things you weren't feeling before because now it's real money. So that's why. What about your secret strategy that you were pushing and selling last month or two ago? It's still there. I haven't been promoting it as much. I'm just trying to build my YouTube back up to where we had 800 plus people watching. So once my YouTube gets popping again, I will start promoting it again. But right now we're just starting out slow, taking our time, and then pretty soon I'm gonna blow up with it and promote it everywhere and let it do its thing and go from there. All right, 40 seconds before news. Let's see if we can get something here so that we can have a successful day. T minus 20 seconds. Why did I stop going live? Because I was stressed out. Because YouTube is very toxic, very stressful. Oof. Whoa. Look at gold. Look at that dip. Oof. Look at that. Hope nobody took buys. Oof. GJ, bye-bye, gone. US 30, nothing. AU, melted. Gold, melted. Oof. I thought gold was going to go bullish, actually. I thought it was going to go bullish. And we have melted. So my friend who was taking gold buys, I hope you closed out. I hope you did not hold those buys. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why we don't trade news. Because at this point, everything was kind of sort of looking bullish. And No. So today was the real news. Yesterday was absolutely nonsense. So let's see. Tomorrow's Friday, so do we have news tomorrow? Yep. Hello?
Hello?
You sleeping?
No.
Oh, okay. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
You guys excited?
Not yet. When I get to the airport, I will.
You don't sound so excited right now. I don't understand. You're about to fly halfway across the world.
I know.
So what happened? It hasn't hit you yet?
Huh? No, but I hate you.
Where's okay?
Yeah.
Is he more excited than you are right now?
No. We just.
Y'all just hitching a ride. Hello? 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 All right. Hello? 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 Let's try again.
Yo.
What's up with your phone?
Oh, I was talking to Isaiah.
The hell?
Yes.
Well, could you say, hold on, I need to click over? Oh. Jesus Christ. Can't talk to this lady. All right. So we're dropping. We're going to wait for this to be completed. And see here. I'm gonna let everything finish doing its thing here. 20 pips. Did I catch that gold move? Hello?
Yeah, I was brilliant. She called me Leo.
She what?
Video called me when she called, so they cut it into your call.
Oh. All right. I just want to say have fun. Have a safe trip.
Hi, thank you. I'll call you once I get settled into the terminal.
All right. Make sure y'all send pictures in the WhatsApp group.
All right, I will.
All right. Love you guys.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
So what I'm waiting on here is for a support to be formed, and then resistance to be formed, and then resistance to get broken for the retest, or support to get broken for a sell continuation. That's what I'm waiting for. So I'm waiting for a market to do this. That's what I'm waiting for. So we're gonna wait. What time can you trade afternoons? Not so much about time as it is about waiting on a setup. However long it takes you to find a setup. See what's happening here on AU is what I want to see happen on gold. I want us to create a support, which we have now currently. Let's let a couple bullish candles close, and if they close above a certain area, then you could take the retest back up. But if not, then you could take the sell continuations on down. Just waiting, just keep waiting. All right, breaking highs here on the 5 minute. Can we get a closure is the question. This could turn around and go right on back up, which is fine. That's fine. How many pips did it drop? About 50 pip drop. 30 pip retracement. Did not get a closure. We did not get a closure above, so no buys. Once you get that closure, more data to take buys. But right now, nothing for the buys. For the sells, would like to see a closure below that support. That's what I want to see. Once we get a closure above this area, I will take buy positions to take it on up, but I'm not going to hold them very long because why? The market is bearish. So right now it's just Continued waiting game. Come on, gold. Give me something today, please. Give me something today. Song is boring. I wanted to wait for this to close, but I think it's gonna push. So I took buys on gold. Alright, I'm gonna take profit here because it's not smart to hold gold buys in a bearish market. So what I want to see now is for gold to tap into this area and then find its way back down. Tap into this nice supply here and find its way on down. That's what I want to see. I want to see that. Go to 15 minutes. I don't want to see just one candle push. I would like to see push deep and then the next one, preferably on the 15 or the 30. Could we get that? I don't know. It would be nice. It would be nice, but we don't know. So let's see. Check US 30. Not right now. Oh yes, AU hit TP there. Very nice. Yeah, see? Perfect. I didn't take both positions because I didn't know if AU was gonna have enough volume to move. But it pushed up here, pushed right up to TP, right around my TP zone right there. So this was nice, but this was only a 12 pip move compared to gold, which was a little bit more. So this is nice here. So what I want, like I said, I just want to see it pull back and come down. Hello, Charlene. How much risk percentage do you use per day? I don't use percentages. I don't go by percentages. I don't trade percentages. Sorry, but I don't. I trade to make a certain amount of money every day. I risk a certain amount. That's it. That's it. I don't care to look for percentages. But if you have a $200,000 account, I would aim to make between $3,000 to $5,000 a day off that, or more, preferably. How do I decide what lots to use? Well, I usually stick to a consistent lot size. Like on gold just now, I took 3 10-lot positions just now on that buy, on these buys that I took. I typically don't go over 10 with gold. On AU, on this trade, I might have taken maybe a 15 lot or a 20, maybe even a 30 lot on this trade. and I aim for a certain amount. I aim for 10, 15, 20 pips per move. So if I'm looking to make, I don't know, today I had a 5K. This was a 5K trade today. So typically I'd be okay with that profit. But because I'm in the hole, I'm trying to make back the loss that I had yesterday to get myself back in the blue. So I was up 7K on the week, and then I lost 12K yesterday. So I was down 4,000. So I made 5,000 today, but I still consider that in the red because you got commissions and all that stuff. So I'm not really technically in profit for the week yet. So typically on a day like this, I would be okay with my wins for the day. A 5K day is great, You do that every day. That's a 30K week. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta find what you're comfortable with profit wise and how much you're willing to risk based on the setup that you're seeing. This setup right here on gold is over 100 pips for the sell. Do I need all that? No, I'd probably be good with like 20 or 30 pips out of this move. So I don't really need to go crazy, So that's my outlook. I don't go off percentages. I just don't believe in percentages. Going off percentages. People say try to risk 1% a day. But even in the hedge fund world, in the financial markets, they're not trying to make 1% a day. They're trying to make like 10% a month sometimes, So even that 1% a day stuff, I don't know who made that up. I don't know how it caught fire. I don't know why people think it's the holy grail with trading. To me, it's very simple. Either you are making money or you're not. It really is. Because think about it, right? When you tell somebody, when you see Instagram or TikTok, whatever you're watching, right? And you see people showing off profits and stuff. Do you ever hear them say, oh, I made 12% this morning. I made 8% this morning. I made 2.5% today. You really don't ever see that. You kind of see the money, see the profit that they make. You only hear people talk about percentages when either they're not making good money, big money, or they're trying to make what they did sound better than it actually was, in my opinion. So you'll never hear me say, oh guys, I made 2.5% today. I'm looking to risk 3% today or some nonsense like that. Like, you just won't. When you see influencers showing off profits, you never see them say percent. How many of you guys see them talk about that on there? They might talk about it, but when they're showing you their profits, don't show me your profit, then just show me your percentage. If that's how you trade. So I'm just like, I don't know. I just don't like percentages at all. Is it a valid concept? Yeah, it is. I'm not saying it's not valid. I'm not saying it's, you should just scrap it. But you shouldn't be trading with your mind wrapped around percentages all the time. How much money are you trying to make? It's just that simple. How consistent are you trying to be every day, every week, every month, every year, every quarter? How profitable can you be? How consistent can you be? That's it. How do you know when to take what the market gives you versus letting your TP get hit? Yeah, these are tough questions, guys. These are tough questions. You have to answer within yourself. I can't tell you when to hold TP or when to take what the market gives you. That has to come from you. That confidence has to come from you. Do you trust your analysis or not? Are you okay with your profit or not? It's up to you. I can't give you those answers, unfortunately. I can't. I don't know what your trading style is. I don't know what your discipline level is. I don't know what your risk management skills are. There's too many variables that we don't know about. So I can't give you that information. What I can tell you is you'll never go broke taking profit. You'll never go broke taking profit. If I get a 5-minute or 15-minute candle above resistance level, is that a valid move? Some of you have a lot to learn. A lot to learn. That question doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make sense. There is no black and white answer to stuff, guys. Every setup is different. Every setup is different. Okay? Every setup is different. All right, perfect. We came back into that zone. Beautiful. Now I want us to come out, break the low, and we're gone. Yeah. Whole lot of waiting. I should be done for the day, honestly, but I want to see if we can grab a little more out of the market today. That's what I want to see. Look at GJ dropping. I wasn't sure what GJ wanted to do here. Take profit on US 30. I'm not in US 30. I'm done in US 30. I'm not in US 30. I am not in US 30. not in US 30. I am in gold sells. Gold. I got in a little early, but I am anticipating that we are going to sell off on gold. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm not trading US 30. I don't trust US 30 at this point. So I'm going to stick with a pair that actually moves how I know it to move. So that's my take on it, basically. So yes, 30 could do whatever it wants. I'm good on that. Yes, 30. I would like this candle to flip bearish and to find its way all the way down there. That's what I'm looking for today. Have I ever used Trading Simulator? No. I don't even know if I know exactly what that is. Trading Simulator. I don't know what that is. What time frame is my supply zone? Depends. This one is on the 30. This one's on the 30-minute. Oh, we're not doing that today. We're not doing that today. I don't know why I have to keep on changing this setting. This doesn't make sense. It doesn't even feel like... Jesus. Come on, gold. Come on. Come on. Flip bearish. Come down and flip red. And then come on down. Because you are the next contestant on The Price is Right. Come on down. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on, come on. You could do it. You could do it. Yes, yes. You can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. Give me a 30-minute close below. Give me a 30-minute close. You already made a top wick. 30-minute close below. Break this wick. And then we're off and running. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on. Just a little harder. Just a little harder. Got 3 minutes for this candle to close. A lot of time for it to come down a little more. And give us a nice strong 30-minute candle close there. That's what I need. A nice strong 30-minute closer. Come on, come on, come on down. Come on, come on, come on. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah. Very nice. Now I just need you to close below that line for me. Can you close for me? Can you close? Can you close for me? Because if you can close for me, that would be amazing. Come on, don't tiptoe. Don't dance on it. Just come down and close below it for me. Close below. You have 1 minute and 40 seconds to close below here. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Break that line. Break that line. Come on. Push, 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 push. Break, 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 break. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Good, 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 good. Good. All right. Now stay your butt down here. Don't come back up here. Stay down here. Stay, stay, stay. Come on. Got a whole 50 seconds. Just stay down. Yes. Yep. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Oh, yes. Oh! All right. Get yourself down here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Do I want to take profit? I feel like I want to take profit. I feel like I want to take profit. What do you guys think? Take profit. Let her ride. She's coming down very nicely. She's coming down. We're up about just under 9K. Just under 10K, I mean. So we closed. We did close below. Very nice. We should continue bearish. Probably gonna take profit here pretty soon. I'm up a good amount for the day. I do see it continuing down, but I could be wrong. Leave it runner. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Because technically I just want to be done for the day. I don't really want to sit on the computer, especially as long as I did yesterday. Yesterday went extra long for no reason. But today we got volume. We got volume. Alright, I'm going to start securing here because it's starting to push back up here. I'll leave one runner. I closed out 2 positions. I'll leave the other one running. I'll let that one run. But yeah, today's good day. Good day today. And typically, guys, you don't want to chase losses. I know I said I wanted to make back the loss from yesterday, and I did. But you don't want to go into your next trading day with that mentality. Like, you know, that's almost like borderline revenge trading. So you don't want to go into that. And that's why I preach to you guys not to dwell on your losses, because it's just one trade. It's just one loss. You know, even if you have multiple losses, like multiple, you know, you have a losing streak, whatever the case, you don't want to dwell on it too much, because especially if you're profitable. If you're profitable and you know what you're doing, and you know what you're doing, you've made money in the markets before, then like I said the other day, you don't want to what's the word I'm looking for? Like, don't let a few losses define you as a trader, basically. Okay. You can always bounce back. You can, like I said, it's about living to trade another day. That's what it's about. Live to trade another day. So if you know that you've been over leveraging and you're about to blow your account, you're not going to live to trade another day if you keep trading the way you're trading. So you have to reduce your risk a little bit. And sometimes reducing your risk really does help you in the long run, because the little wins, chipping away at the losses, really helps your psychology. The more blues you start seeing, even if the blues are not that big, the more blues that you start seeing, it starts like it does something to you mentally. You know, you start kind of feeling yourself a little bit. Your confidence is starting to come back a little more. So you start to actually, you know what I'm saying, like, you start to feel differently about yourself, your trades, your confidence, all that stuff. So if you're able to actually overcome all that, you're going to be a good trader. It's not going to get to you, you know, psychologically. It's not going to mess you up completely. You're going to be able to bounce out of that, basically, you know. So that's why you shouldn't dwell on losses, because you will lose. Losses will happen. However, there's always tomorrow. There's always another setup coming. There's always another opportunity. It's a never-ending cycle, you know, never-ending cycle. So I hope you guys are able to get, you know, a lot out of that, basically. What is that noise? Something I hate about living alone, sometimes you keep hearing weird noises and you don't even know what it is sometimes. It's creepy. Super creepy. US30 is just on something else. It really is. It is just on something else. It's crazy. All right, gold pulled back a little bit here. Just closed out all of my positions. So we did good. We did good for the day. We did good. So What I don't want to see now is I don't want to see gold start to do this. That would be frustrating, to say the least. That would be very frustrating. I don't want to see gold doing that. Has it been known to do that? Absolutely. So we'll see. But either way, today was a good day. So I am done trading for the day. I hope you guys got a lot out of this session. I hope you guys won today, those of you that traded. If you just watched, I hope you learned something. And if you traded, I hope you won. And even if you lost, I hope you still won because you learned something from that loss. Okay. Charlene, before you end you live, I have a question if it makes sense. All right. Is your stop loss fixed for all your trades, or do you vary them sometimes? It's varied. Every setup is different. I had a win today. Thanks. All right. Awesome. 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 Thank you again. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Ghost Monkey, what's your question before I finish up here? What does it mean to be intentional with your trading? I don't know. That's a good question. I have no idea. I'm very sorry I don't have an answer to that question. Yeah, I don't have an answer to that question. Sorry. But if you missed any part of this live, just rewatch it and you'll get a lot of nuggets out of it. Charlene, just want to let you know, watching you trade this week has improved how I see the charts. It's been profitable for the first time this week in a long time. Mrs. Summer Nicole, you are very welcome. You're very welcome. Oh boy, you guys are spamming the hell out of this chat here. Thanks, great stream. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, guys, y'all be good. I'm gonna go get my Thursday started here, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Y'all be good. Peace out.